mere 45 runs. A brilliant performance overall by all the teams. So, with that being said, it's time to give away some of these gold medal awards to some of you guys. And first of all, we'll give the trophies for the afternoon match, which was between Prabhu Levin and Team HCA. Okay, before that, we'll quickly felicitate our sponsors like we thank them. First of all, I'd like to invite Sayana to do the honors of felicitating them. Can we give a huge round of applause for our organizers, Sayana Ranna. And, okay, a very important sponsor, especially for the winning team who's very happy, is Ansi Lawns and Farmstays. I request Bharat Rajana to come onto the stage. You guys will be excited. We'll go to a farmhouse next week. Absolutely on the house on the next coming Sunday. Thank you so much, Bharatana, for your support. We really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, moving ahead, I also invite on stage from NBR Traders, Mr. Sridhar, to please come on to the stage and receive this small token of appreciation. Can you put our hands together for our sponsors? They play a very important role. Hey guys, did you enjoy the energy drinks? Only one person enjoyed. Did you enjoy the energy drinks? Hello! Fantastic. So our Predator Energy, we have Gayatri and Anuya. Okay, we have Gayatri and Anuya requesting you guys to please make your way onto the stage. Can we make some noise for them as well? Thank you so much for your continuous support throughout the 50th edition of Wild Sports Championship. Okay, and now I also thank Village Roots Agri Private Limited, and I request Anand to please come onto the stage. Can you make some noise for Anand? The hard worker behind the scenes who does a lot of work for our tournament success. Thank you so much, Anand. And from Steenofy, I invite Bharat onto the stage. From Steenofy, we have Bharat. Fantastic. We have him here. Can we make some noise for him as well? Come on, everyone. Thank you so much for your support, Bharat. And next up is from the Fish Eye Studio. We have Mandy Hall coming to the front. Make some noise. The man looking absolutely sharp even in a short. Okay, moving ahead from next wave we have Mahant Bhai coming up in the front. And Rajana as well. Can you make some noise for both of them? Thank you so much Anand for your support. And the entire team as well, yeah, Ashoka and Pranay as well, thank you so much for your support. Did you guys like the jerseys today for the team? Very good, absolutely. Okay, moving ahead, our final sponsor, we'd like to thank AK-47 Sports. Can we have Prabhu Bhaiya on stage, please? Thank you so much AK-47 Sports for your support, we really appreciate it. Thank you so much to all our sponsors. Okasari mana sponsors. Thank you Sayana for doing the honors of felicitating them. Okay, moving ahead, like I said, in the afternoon match. Okay, in the afternoon match that was between Prabhu Levin and Team HCCA. The best bowler of the match, first of all, who bowled 4 overs, gave away just 24 runs and took 4 wickets. The best bowler of the afternoon match is, can you make some noise for Avinash? And yes, we request our Anuya from Trinidad Energy. Okay, on behalf of Avinash, we are going to do the honors of collecting this. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Avinash. Okay. Yes, and the best batter of that match who scored 52 not out, only 50 in today's couple of matches. 52 not out of 27 deliveries with 2 fours and 5 sixes. The best batter goes to Prasad! Brilliant performance by Prasad in the afternoon match. Thank you so much to our sponsors for doing the honors of felicitating our best batter. And finally, the man of the match who scored 26 of 18 with 3 4 and also bowled 4 overs, gave away just 20 runs and took 3 wickets. The man of the match goes to none other than Sainath Pagdimari. Can you make some noise for him, everyone? Okay, he is not here on behalf. We ask Anna Prabhu Anna to do the honors of collecting this. Congratulations, Sainath. Okay, moving ahead to so all these man of the match awards have been sponsored by NVR Traders. A big thank you to them for sponsoring all these trophies. Okay, moving ahead to the final of the finals, the awards for these wonderful players from the Platinum Trophy. And first of all, we like to give away the Best Bowler Award for the bowler who bowled 2 overs, just gave away 5 runs and took 3 wickets. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, any guesses? The Best Bowler of the match goes to Sai Pramod for a match-winning spell today for the Dominate. He bowled some unplayable deliveries. The dugout, we felt thankful that we were not the batsmen facing him. Such amazing bowling was at display today. Okay, and moving ahead to the best batter of the match, and it was a tricky wicket to bat on. This person did. The best batter of the match goes to Yeram Sai Varun. A very patient knock by him. A really patient knock and a match-winning knock that turned out to be. And a fantastic performance by Yeram Sai Varun. And I request Yeram Sai Varun to stay back because he's also our man of the match this afternoon. I request, Pranay to do the honors of giving away this award. Not just 36 of 38, he also bowled 3 overs, gave away 14 runs, took 1 important wicket. Congratulations, player of the match, Yeram Sai Varun. Okay, and right now requesting the captain of the winning team from afternoon's match, the second match of the day, the captain of Prabhu 11, requesting Prabhu Anna to please come in the front. Prabhu Anna, you can, that's it. Prabhu Anna is getting some company also, captain and ex-captain, huh? Oh, you're okay, welcome Prabhu Anna. Thank you so much for joining us. We want to give you the Champions of the Pitch Award from Village Root. Thank you so much. Can we make some noise for Prabhu Anna? Everyone. Okay. Thank you so much, Prabhu Anna. Can I request you to stay back for a few seconds? You can open it. Okay, no problem. We'll catch you later. No problem. Okay, moving ahead. I request the winning captain of the second match, the captain of Dominate, Geeta Krishna, to please come in the front and receive this champion of the felicitation from Village Roots. Thank you so much, Anand Bhai, for doing the honors of giving it away. This is Anand Bhai's very own company. Thank you so much, Geeta. We'll have a quick word in some time with you. Thank you. Okay, so if you are aware, we have still in this tournament officially we still have a few matches left, but for now we have certain people leading the charts in terms of leaderboards. So first of all, the leading run scorer, which is not completed yet, so we are not officially giving them an award, but so far the leading run scorer in the tournament is Aditya Jawaji from Deccan Sultans. Can we clap for him, everyone? He's not here though. And the leading wicket taker is Dhanush from Blue Cap 11. Can you make some noise and give him a huge round of applause as well? And the best fielder in the 50th edition so far from the Black Panthers is Pawan. Can you make some noise for him as well? And there is finally one person who is dominating both the MVP and the veteran player. It is Mahidar from Royal Strikers. Can you make some noise for him as well? Like I said, we have a few more matches left in this tournament. So once that is done, we will officially announce these and give away the trophies away. So okay. Okay, requesting Ravindranath to please come onto the stage to do the honors of giving away the medals to the winning team of the Diamond Cup that was played in the morning. We have some special medals. So requesting Prabhu Anna's team to please line up and come to the other.
Okay, na?
To you, the winners of the Diamond Cup, Prabhu 11, receiving their medals one after the other. The medals, yeah. Thank you. Our match official Ravinder Bhai doing the honors of giving away the medals.
Crackers వచ్చేప్పుడు కొంచెం జూమ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి
Congratulations to Prabhu 11. Thank you so much
ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం
for your
వచ్చింది
participation. Congratulations on winning the trophy, winning the Diamond Cup today.
రైట్ రైట్ ఓకే ఓకే చూపిస్తుండ ఇట్లా వేయాలని చేసా చేసా
I think Prabhu 11 entire team is Tobu because of the way they played throughout the tournament and made it to the final as well. Thank you so much, Ravindrana, for doing the honors. Okay, right now I request Rajsekhar Anna to come onto the stage. Rajsekhar Bhai to please do the honors of giving away the runners medal from the afternoon match. And this goes to Team HCCA, requesting Team HCCA to please line up and receive your medals. Hey people, we have the best day for the last, so please be excited. All the teams, these huge trophies will be given away very shortly. So requesting, before that the players to please come and receive your medals. Thank you so much. Great effort in the afternoon. Vinay taking a brilliant catch in the deep. It was a collective performance by the team. The batting team was looking set to score easily over 200, but they restricted them. Unfortunately, could not could not chase it down, but they did a fantastic job in terms of quality of cricket that they played today.
షూర్ వాటర్
Okay, right now it's time for the bigger trophy, and I request Saina Anna to please do the honors of giving it away. Saina Anna requesting you on the stage.
ఏయ్ హట్
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Yeah, they are also cheering. Okay, the runners in the morning match, that is the Diamond Cup runners, it goes to Team HTCA. Please come in the front. Captains up. Receive your trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, the Vice Sports Championship 50th edition Diamond Cup runners goes to Team HTCA. Congratulations, Team HTCA. Okay, requesting the teammates to please come here below the stage here, and we love to click a picture of all of you.
పవన్ వీడియో తీయవా అట్లే నువ్వు జూమిందో మరి లేవుగా అట్లే ఉండి కట్టుకో నువ్వు పోతా
Come on, rest of the amazing players, can you make some noise for the runners of the Diamond Cup, Team HTCA, everyone! Congratulations, you guys deserve it, made it to the finals, won 4 out of 5 matches in the league stage, made it to the finals, and showed some really good quality cricket throughout the tournament. Congratulations to Team HTCA. And of course, right now we'll give away the cup for the winners of the 50th edition Diamond Cup winners, and it goes to none other than Prabhu 11, captain of Prabhu 11. Anna, I hope you did some workout because the trophy is very heavy. Congratulations, Prabhu Bhai, and the entire Prabhu 11 on winning the Diamond Cup. Absolutely fantastic. Huge celebrations. Prabhu Bhaiya said he'll give us all a party. Lovely, lovely. Congratulations, Prabhu Bhaiya. And the entire team, requesting the entire team also to assemble here for a team picture. Official team picture. The entire Prabhu 11. Please come in the front and pose along with the trophy.
తీసుకో ఇంకా తీసుకో అన్న కొంచెం రైట్ జరగరా ఈ వైర్ని వీటి చెప్పుకోపోను
పెద్దనే ఉంది ఏంటి
స్విచ్ కొట్టే ఏం లేదుగా
do the honors of giving away the medals to the runners of the Platinum Trophy, and the runners of the Platinum Trophy are none other than the Maharaj 11. Requesting the entire Maharaj 11 to please come in the front, receive your medals. Congratulations, Maharaj 11. Absolutely brilliant performance throughout the series, throughout this tournament, in all the league matches. You showed amazing spirit. The quality of cricket that you played is what led you to be here in the big finals, won all their matches, all their league matches, and made it to the finals. Absolutely brilliant performance. They had one off day today, but absolute brilliant performance throughout the tournament by all the players from the Maharaj 11. Congratulations on making it to the final and being the runners of the 50th edition of Y Sports Championship 2025. Okay. I request Ravinder Rana to please come onto the stage and do the honors of giving away the winners' medals to Team Dominate. Requesting all the players one after the other to line up and receive your medals. Okay. Congratulations to the boys from Dominate. Absolutely dominating performance throughout the tournament. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we'd like to do a reverse thing right now. We'd like to give away the winner's trophy first. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, all the spectators, once again in the Y Sports Championship. Before that, I request Sayana to please come onto the stage and do the honors of giving away this trophy. And also, yes, our Predator Energy partners to come onto the stage, and they have some special merch for the winning team. And of course, we have ANSI Lawns and Farm Stays owner Bharatraj Rana also with us. Please join us on the stage. Oh, the crackers are already going. And right now, to receive the trophy, first of all, I request the captain of the Dominate team, Mr. Geeta Krishna, along with their cute lady, Advik Reddy, from their gym to come and join us. And the rest of the team also to be ready here for your trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Y Sports. Yeah, before we give away the trophy, we have some merch for you guys. So, yeah, this is for the entire team. Okay, requesting all the players to come one after the other, receive your merch. We have special merchandise for you. You played so brilliantly, we'll make you hard work for a few more minutes. Come onto the stage, please. We have special merch for all of you. From Predator Energy, we have special caps and wristbands that you can use for your future matches, is what the Predator Energy team have said. So congratulations. And come this side, come this side. And our future okay. Okay, everyone, can you wear your merch? Just wear your caps. All your caps. Amaru. Okay. Okay, ready everyone? Please show off your merch, wearing your caps. Okay, all the players on the stage, you guys are winners here. Can you make some noise with your merch and show a thumbs up, everyone? All the thumbs ups. Fantastic. Congratulations, boys. Right now, I request all the boys to please step down. You can wait here for your captain to join you. But before that, we'll make one special announcement for all of you. And we have Bharatraj Anna with us. Boys, you can be ready nearby. We have Bharatraj Anna who will make a special announcement for the special team winning. Okay, I'll make it on behalf of Bharatana. And Bharatana, the owner of Ansi Lawns and Farm Stays, has offered the Dominate team, which is the winning team of Platinum Cup of the 50th edition, a free farmhouse stay on the coming Sunday. Congratulations. A big, you guys can celebrate in the farmhouse and also promote his farmhouse as well. Thank you so much, Bharatana, on behalf of all the players. They're very happy. Okay, and thank you so much, Anna. Finally, it's time for us to give away the prestigious trophy. Oh, right, absolutely. Okay, and we have our captain right here on stage. Before giving away the trophy, Geeta, at the toss, when I asked you how hungry were you, one thing that you said was, we definitely want this trophy. We want our team's name Dominate on the trophy is what you said. So congratulations, you made that happen. You envisioned it beforehand, you manifested it and you see it right in front of you. So how are you feeling? Being here, 50th edition, it cannot get more special than this.
I'm actually out of words. We are very glad to participate in this tournament. And I would declare my whole team in one line. We just dominated throughout the tournament.
I don't think there is anyone in the whole tournament that can say we disagree with you, Geeta, because you absolutely dominated the tournament and this is why you are here on stage. A huge round of applause for them. And another question to you is that, see, I think throughout the tournament there were different players that stepped up at different points of time. It was not a one-man show. Even today we got to see that. People chipping in with the bat, people chipping in with the ball on the field. So what is your secret to such a team domination and such a team contribution to come this far? And how do we win trophies like you?
Nothing, actually, I give them freedom. So I let them go what they want. I don't restrict them at all. So basically throughout the tournament I took help of Ayeswar. So made it
A captain not taking credit to himself but giving it away to the rest of the players away also. Finally, does fitness play an important part in your team? Because I see all absolutely fit players working hard behind the scenes as well. Does that play an important part? Would you like to tell that to everyone here?
Yeah, fitness is very important for athletes. Basically, for my gym, athletes who are coming, they're coming with an injury. So basic fitness is important, activation and all. So I prefer everyone to maintain the basic fitness. Actually, I ask them to feel, give 100% on the field activity. Nothing else.
Absolutely, truly inspiring, absolutely fantastic. Finally, last question and I'll let you go and celebrate. The question is, are you happy about winning the trophy more, or are you happy that you're going to a farmhouse for absolutely free?
Actually, we are happy for both of us. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ డామినేట్ ఉండాలని మొత్తం డామినేట్ చేయాలని ఉంటే డామినేట్ చేసినాం. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ భరత్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Absolutely brilliantly answered, a very diplomatic answer. Will not stop you. And Advik also from your gym is what we heard. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the White Sports Championship 50th edition winners of the Platinum Cup. Presenting to you the captain of Team Dominate, Geeta Krishna. Picking up the trophy on behalf of the boys from Dominate. And once he does that, requesting all the boys from Dominate to make your way in the front and celebrate along with your captain. Geeta, you can also step down with the trophy. That must be very heavy, so we'll ask someone to help you. And DJ Anna, can we play some music for them, please? Hey, all the boys of Dominate, you know